Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to be showing you the car that I pretty much just got. Probably can tell what it is. Shout out to my dad for fixing it up, because I do not know how to fix up cars. Yeah, that should tell you what it is if you didn't already know. This is a 27-year-old car, Camaro. Now, it is only a V6, but it's still very nice. Obviously, I put in some blue overhead lights. Zoom out here. Obviously, the blue lights. That's just the window shade. It's a manual 5-speed. Blue dash lights. It's got T-tops, which you can't see. Let me get my flashlight. T-tops with a little plastic cover there to kind of keep the sun out. Yeah, it's really nice. It's old, but it's nice. Now, it does have a screen, which is a little bit dusty. It's a little dusty, but it does have a screen. This is actually a temporary phone mount. It doesn't have the whole mounting part right now. It's just temporary for now. I do have one I still need to put up. Sorry, this is just my flashlight. This is a phone mount that I'll end up putting on my windshield, but have to figure out the whole spot. It's got steering wheel like wrap thing. Nice seat covers. It's a Gen 4 Camaro, though. 98. And thanks to my dad, it actually runs really nicely. Obviously, let the fuel pump prime. Turn on those lights. Yep. And then roll down the window. Obviously, frameless windows, because that's what's on these cars. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear this, but let me start it up. Make sure it's in neutral first. Yeah, sounds really nice. I'm in a residential area, so I can't exactly rev it too hard, but I'll go somewhere else and rev it. Obviously, this thing is just connecting to my phone. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm in a spot that is away from residential, so while it may disturb someone, it shouldn't. And now I'll give it some revs, you know. Obviously, basic revs. There you go. Just a few revs, and then rev limiter and all that, you know, just so you guys can get to hear it. May not sound as nice as a V8, but it doesn't smell bad.